Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the Fortnite textures not loading error in Season 8. So basically if this happens to you, then I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say check out my video on how to increase FPS, fix lag and fix stutter in Fortnite Season 8, so just click on the card in the top right corner. Okay, so the first step what you want to do is just open Fortnite and open the settings. Okay, now what you want to do is set the frame rate to 60 or 120 FPS, just don't set it to unlimited. So if you have a higher end PC, then just set it to 120 FPS. If you have a low end PC, set it to 60 or 30 FPS. The next thing what you want to do is just lower the 3D resolution, so set it around 50 or 60%. Let's say 60%, and this should be enough. The next thing is to set the view distance to epic, turn off the shadows, turn off anti-aliasing, set the textures to low, set the effects to low, and you can set post-processing on low, medium, high or epic depending on what you need. I'm gonna set mine as on medium. The next thing is to turn off VSync and turn off motion blur. Once you do this, just click on apply and basically that's it. The second step is to open the control panel, so just click on the search bar and type control panel and open it. Now click on system and security and open the system. Click on advanced system settings and go to the advanced tab. Now what you want to do here is open the settings under performance and select adjust for best performance. So you want this to be ticked. Then what you want to do is just click on apply. So click on apply, wait for it to finish and click on OK. And now you can close this. The third step is to open the control panel again. So click on the search bar, type control panel and open it. And now what you want to do is go to hardware and sound. Click on the power options and check the ultimate performance power plan. If you have Windows 10 and don't have ultimate performance, then just click on the card in the top right corner and watch the tutorial on how to enable it. If you're on Windows 7 or Windows 8 or 8.1, then just select high performance. And once you select ultimate performance, you can now close the control panel. The fourth step is to click on the search bar and type run and open the run desktop app. Now what you want to do here is write app app data %. So app data % and click on OK. Now click on app data and open local. Now open Fortnite game, double click on save, double click on config, open the Windows client folder, and now what you want to do is just right click on game user settings, open the properties and deselect read only, so you don't want this to be selected. Click on it, click on apply and click on OK. Now right click on game user settings, go to open with and select notepad. OK. Now what you want to do here is find the resolution. Okay, there it is. Resolution size X, let user confirm resolution size X, epsilon. So you just need these four, and what you want to do is set all of these to 1080, or maybe choose one resolution that fits you. So just mess a little bit with these settings and see what works best for you. So I'm gonna set them to 1080, and once you do that, what you want to do is find frame rate limit, and before you change this setting, I want you to start a game and play a game of Fortnite and see what is the lowest FPS that you get where you're building, where you're jumping from the bus, while you're, I don't know, fighting, etc. And you want to set this number to the lowest FPS that you get in a game. So basically, if you get like 100 FPS while you're, I don't know, while you're running or while you're opening a chest, but then you get into a fight or you build something or you're jumping from the bus and you get like 70 FPS, then you need to set the frame rate limit to 70 FPS. So set it to the lowest number, to the lowest FPS number that you get while you're in game. So let's say, for example, the lowest FPS that I get is 70. I'm gonna set the frame rate limit to 70. Once you do this, you just want to save the file. So click on File, Save, and close the Notepad file. Now what you want to do is right click on Game User Settings once again, go to the Properties, and select Read Only. And basically this will disable Fortnite from, or this will not allow Fortnite to make any changes to this file. Now click on Apply and OK. And now you can close this window. The next step is to click on the search bar and type Game Mode. Open the Game Mode settings. I don't know if this option is available on Windows 7 and 8.1 or 8, but if it is, then just do as I do. If it isn't, then just skip to the next step. Now once you're in game mode, then what you want to do is turn off game mode, and once you do that, click on game bar and turn off record game clips, screenshots, and broadcast using game bar. So you don't need this and you don't want it, so just turn it off. Once you do that, you can now just close this window. The next step is to open the device manager. So just click on the search bar and type device manager and open it. Now what you want to do is expand the display adapters. Right click on your graphics card. So it should be either Nvidia or AMD if you have two of them, or if you have just one, then just click on it and right click on it and go to the properties. Once you do that, go to the details tab, and now what you want to do is select hardware IDEs under property. And now what you want to do is set this aside and click on the search bar and type Registry Editor and open the Registry Editor desktop app. Okay. Now what you want to do is go to HK local machine. So expand that, click on the arrow next to it. Expand system. Expand current control set. Expand enum. Expand PCI. And now once you're here, what you want to do is find the same folder as this one. So it should have the same name as the first one in the properties. So as you can see, it's PCI, VEN, 10, DE, and DEV. Let's see, so it should be, I think this one, yeah, 13B11.0, 13B11.0. Okay, once you find it, what you want to do is expand it again, expand the device parameters, and expand interrupt management. Now what you want to do is right click on interrupt management, and once you do that, click on new and click on key. And now what you want to do is just rename the new key and name it message signaled interrupt properties. So message signaled interrupt properties, and click on enter. Now once you do that, what you want to do is right click on the new key that you created, click on new again, and click on dword 32-bit value. And now what you want to do is rename the new key or the new dword and name it MSI supported. So MSI supported. Click on enter, and now double click on MSI supported and set the value data to 1. And click on OK, close the registry editor and close the properties. And there's one more step, and that is to simply update your drivers using the device manager, and you can do that by click on the search bar, type device manager, open it, expand the display adapters, right click on your graphics card and click on update driver. Now what you want to do is search automatically for updated driver software, and if there's a new version of the driver, then it will automatically update your graphics card. If there isn't a new driver software, a new driver version, it will just say that there isn't any new driver, and basically that's it. You can now close this. And these are all fixes for PC. If you're playing on console and you're getting the textures not loading error, then what you want to do is just simply delete some games that you're not playing anymore, or just simply delete some videos that you're not using, and this will free up some memory so Fortnite can render the textures properly, and with this you fix the error. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, like and comment.